Hey everybody, I don't know if you know this, we talk about it quite a bit, and if you're a new listener, awesome, thank you. But we take on the model of the Sherpa,
right,
at TARTLE. And so what that means is that in a simple format, you're the champion in the journey. You're the one going to the top of the mountain, and we're only there to help, teach you and guide you and keep you safe on that journey. Okay. How to find that power and, grace within yourself. And you were doing some research online on eBay, reviewing books.
I was looking at nonfiction books on Sherpa because I wanted to understand and know Sherpas.
Yeah, their cultures, everything they
everything
do.
about them, yeah.
And we want to talk about bad machine learning.
Yeah, so I get a notification.
This is great.
On my iPhone here. Just for you, Sherpa jacket. Because you search Sherpa. Bad machine learning. I have no desire to buy a Sherpa jacket. Sherpa jackets have nothing related to. I'm going to click on it right now.
This is so hysterical. Their algorithm took one data point.
Yeah, I have no desire to wear one of those.
No. You would look ridiculous in that jacket.
Yeah, in a Sherpa jacket. Yeah.
But here's the funny part. Their algorithm took one data point.
Yes.
They didn't ask you why you were searching for Sherpa. None of those things. They just came up with some sick sort of assumption that you need this ridiculous looking jacket when you were looking for nonfiction material on a culture of people in Nepal.
Yeah. Or say, hey, here's a new Sherpa book that just got put on eBay.
Yeah.
That would have been, it's like, oh, he's looking at nonfiction books.
That
are very good or like new.
This is why you have to be...
Because I like to buy used.
Yeah, this ridiculous sort... We always buy used.
Yeah.
This is why this ridiculous sort of machine learning models that have been put in place have racially profiled people. They have, swung elections improperly, inundated people with news that they really didn't want to see, and it only took one data point. For this thing pushed back some sort of response and
sends me a notification.
It had literally less than 1% of the reasoning for why you were searching this thing. You want to know why? Because that model, that algorithm, that machine learning had no actual input because there was no true interaction with you.
But they're not, the problem with this is it's not valuing me as a person because my notifications are really important to me. Here's where eBay fit in. My son's birthday tomorrow, a package that was delivered to me, and then a bunch of product updates from TARTLE.
Yeah. And
then from there, some emails, a new YouTube video, and Amazon package, and some stocks that are down.
Yeah.
So I really pay attention to my notifications. They do know that, but I don't want a worthless notification.
It's totally useless.
Give me something of value. It's like there's another company, and I'm not going to mention their name, and I hate this. Here's bad machine learning too. I only buy men's shoes from you. Do not send me emails on women's clearance sales.
Yeah, well,
I have no desire to buy women's shoes. I'm not against women's shoes, but I just
don't
don't wear them.
I've seen your shoe closet.
Yeah, I have some hidden, maybe some women's shoes. When I'm feeling a little.
Yeah. If you want to do walk a mile, whatever those fundraisers are, I'd love to see you in high heels. But no, you got a ton of shoes in there. But the point is like you are wasting your time and resources and advertising dollars to send me something that makes absolutely no sense because you didn't take a little extra effort to go to tartle.co and enhance your machine learning algorithms by pumping them with real data.
Yes.
Sherpa, are you kidding? You only sent me a notification for your own benefit, eBay.
Right.
It wasn't for my benefit.
No.
Because you really didn't understand what I was looking to benefit from.
Yes, I needed some education and to learn.
Okay, yeah. All right, I think the rant's over.
We're done.
Thanks.
Bad machine learning.